As you can tell from the thumbnail, I will be creating some simple DIYs using these floating shelves from the Dollar Tree. Now they have the little material that you need to hang it on the wall, and as you can see, they do come in another color, which is white. Now these shelves are plastic, they're not wood. They're a heavy duty plastic, and it has like a matte look to it, so they're not shiny, and I do love that about it. Now they have these little small tabs sticking out the back, but if you take an X-Acto knife and just continue to go over it, you can trim those little tabs off, which is what I'll be doing to all of the shelves in today's video. And I'm doing this just to get a smooth surface on the back side. As you can see, it just shaved right off. And once I get that complete, I'm going to be taking 2 of them, because now that the little tabs are off, the shelves will connect together on a flat surface. To secure these 2 together, I'll be using some E6000 along with some hot glue. I also want to say today I am collaborating with my friend May from Craft Away with May. She is going to be bringing you some ideas using these floating shelves as well. I'm going to have her information linked in the description box below so that you can be just a click away from some more inspiration. And if you're coming over from her channel, welcome, and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy today's video. Now I'm taking this sheet of wallpaper from the Dollar Tree as well, and it have the gold leaves. I chose this color because I am going to style this in my bedroom eventually, and I do have some gold decor in there. I just decided to take this X-Acto knife to help me cut off the amount of the wallpaper that I need to use. Once I get that trimmed down, I'm just going to use this to place it right on top, and I am creating a little mini vanity. It turned out really cute, and I absolutely love it because I can move around with this, and it's just adorable. So I'm just peeling the little back sheet off of the wallpaper just a little bit at a time so that I can get this onto the surface nice and smooth. I also want to take a moment to say thank you all for your kind words, your condolences, and your prayers and wishes during a time of loss with my family. As I mentioned in a previous video, my sister lost her husband of 33 years, and I really do appreciate all of your kind comments. So now that I have this complete, what I'm going to do now is bring in this mirror that I picked up from the Dollar Tree as well. I thought it would be perfect to add as an addition to my little vanity. Now I'm taking these little tumbling tower blocks from the Dollar Tree. I am going to eventually go over these tumbling blocks in the back with some white paint. And I'm adding these just to give a larger surface to attach this right down to my now vanity. So I'm just finding my placement, and then I'll go in with some hot glue and attach it. And so I did want to also add a light to this vanity, and so once I get that secure, I'm going to take one of those work lights from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love those work lights. They are battery operated, which really makes this little vanity nice and portable so that I can move it all around the house. And I did add the batteries to this little work light, and I am just going to add some hot glue and place it right on the side. And I'm telling you, this is so adorable. I am going to go over that those tower and tumbling blocks with some white paint just so that I can finish off this little cute vanity. And here is how it turned out. Just a reminder that I am collaborating with my darling friend May from Craft Away with May. So don't forget, after watching this video, check the description box below for a link to her channel so that you can get some more inspiration. Moving on, I am repeating that same step as I did with the 2 white shelves. I already trimmed off the little tabs, and I'm just going to use the same combination of glues, which is the E6000 and the hot glue, to attach these together. But this time I am going to be creating a really cute riser, And so once I get these connected, I am going to be bringing in some tower tumbling blocks to finish off this piece. These shells are really cute as is, but you can also pick some up and use them in a different way to create some really nice looking decor. So I just grabbed the towering tumbling blocks, and as you can see, I'm just adding them all to the top. And I'm going to add those dark brown ones that came in a pack in the middle. So as you can see, I'm just finding placement first of all of the blocks, and then I'll go in and attach them to the piece using some hot glue. So as you can see, I'm going around with them first to see how much I'm going to add in the middle. And so now I'll finish off the middle using the dark brown ones. These DIYs were simple, easy to make, and there are so many different things you can do with these shelves. I think they're cute as is, and I think you can really change them up by adding some wallpaper from the Dollar Tree. They have so many cute ones out if you wanted to just use these shelves as they are and change them up a little bit. And you can also paint these. So now I'm going in now, and I'm just going to do one at a time, keeping them in their place and just adding some hot glue. I end up switching that one out because when I turned it over, it didn't look good. So I'm just going to continue adding the hot glue until I have them all tacked down, and that's going to be it for this. This is a really cute riser, and I love how it turned out. So this next one, if you want to create, if you want to use it as a shelf, but you don't want to add anything to the wall, you can just create a really simple shelf unit where you can still lean something up against this board. And this is one of those bamboo boards from the Dollar Tree out of the kitchen section. The Dollar Tree did put out a larger version of these boards, but this is the original one, and it lines up perfect with the shelf. So I'm going to go in using that same combination of glues, using hot glue along with some E6000, because I do want to make sure that this stay nice and secured together. All I'm going to do is make sure that everything is lined up. This actually looks really good, and you can style lean a book up against this. By it having that backing, it really works out for adding something that you don't want to fall over. And I absolutely love how adorable and simple this was to create. Now for the next one, because I did trim off those little tabs, it let this stand up, and so now you can create a little simple half sign. I have this cute little saying, let go and let God, and these are from the Dollar Tree, but these were sent to me in a package from my friend May. So thank you, May. She sent me a package a while ago of a bunch of rub-on transfer stickers and other different stickers and decals from the Dollar Tree, and I got this out of the pack, and I thought this was perfect for the springtime. Now what I'm doing is chopping it up so that I can place it on my little sign in the way I want it to be displayed, because it didn't fit the way it was already on the sticker. But that's the good thing about it, you can just chop it up and have it placed where you want to. And as you can see, I'm also going to cut down some of those flowers and add them where I want them on a sign as well. I really like these as a sign. It's like a half little sign, but they're cute as shelf sitters, and I really love that idea. It actually gave me an idea of something else that I wanted to do, that I'm probably eventually going to do on another video. But after I get all of the stickers placed where I want them, I am going to go over it with some Mod Podge to secure these on here so nothing will come off. And this was simple, really simple to make, but I think it turned out really cute. And there's, you can use your Cricut and print something on here. And because it's that heavy duty plastic, these would be cute for some bathroom signs that I'm actually going to end up doing. How adorable is this? Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, let me know in the comment section below which one of these were your favorite. And remember, today's video is in collaboration with my sweet friend May from Craft Away with May. So don't forget to check the description box below for a link to her channel. Until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.